Today we are at 3238 Unit D as in dog on Redwood Lane. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath house. We're entering through the living area into the kitchen. We do have same flooring throughout, all stainless steel appliances. If we continue through here, you'll see there's our back door, and we have our washer dryer area with some shelving for some storage, and we also have some extra storage over here as well. Turning back towards the front now, you'll see there's our living room and our front door. Nice recessed lighting in the living area, perfect for our family to sit. Now if we go left, we'll turn to a short hallway. We're gonna go towards the front again, so here's our first of the bedrooms. Again, we do have same flooring throughout, nice light fan combo, window for some fresh air if you like. There's our closet. Continuing down the hallway now, we'll go to the bathroom. Same cabinets and counters as the kitchen. We do also have a shower tub combo over here as well. Very nice tile. If we head back out now, we'll go towards the back bedroom. This is slightly larger than the other bedroom, so it could be the master. We do have a window overlooking the backyard, and there is our closet, and we're looking back towards the front of the unit now. Going back towards the living area, again, this is 3238 Redwood Lane, Unit D as in dog, offered by Barron's Property Managers, 934-2588. You can also view it on our website at barronspm.com.